Utilizing a rapidly assembled trapwire apparatus hung from the balloon, this C-130 gives a whole new meaning to the term airlift by picking up cargo without even landing. Specially trained technicians position themselves on the open ramp thousands of feet above the ground as they begin to haul their cargo on board. This recovery process requires a series of delicate maneuvers while constantly checking tension on the cable. Wearing only thin safety harnesses, the crew reach all the way out of the aircraft to secure the cargo and head for home.